MG Cyberster was officially introduced. The new car is positioned as a pure electric convertible sports car and adopts a soft-top design. The new car will reportedly offer two MG Cyberster, MG's first convertible electric car combining a soft-top convertible and scissor doors, represents the Chinese brand sports design approach and is expected to be a strong image representative of Chinese automobile brands. In terms of appearance, the overall shape of MG Cyberster is sharper and adopts the design style of the Roadster sports car. It is a two-seat design and is equipped with a soft-top mechanical convertible structure. The headlight set adopts atomic energy design language to create more science fiction visual effect. The lower casing is equipped with complex air guide grooves and air intakes, which can significantly improve aerodynamic performance. The new car boldly adopts a very cool scissor door structure. The door handles have been replaced with touch buttons and are placed next to the doors as well as the touch buttons. In addition, the car has a frameless door design suitable for the positioning of sports cars. 20-inch two-tone wheels with red brake calipers add a more dynamic atmosphere. In terms of body size, the new car's length, width and height are 4535/1913/1329 mm, respectively, and its wheelbase is 2,690 mm. The rear of the car uses transitional LED taillights, and the arrow-shaped light cluster design is quite unique and easily recognizable. There's no standalone spoiler at the rear of the car, but there is an upturned ducktail and a large diffuser sits at the bottom of the rear end. In terms of interior, MG Cyberster pays more attention to the sportiness-filled design style on the driver's side. The LCD instrument area adopts triple-screen design, so the driver can intuitively see the vehicle status and information display. The central control touchscreen is hidden in the area to the right of the switch gear. The conventional function modules are also quite complete, making it easy for the driver to set the necessary functions. The seats are made from a mixture of genuine leather and suede, and the integrated sport seats provide good wrapping and support. Additionally, the red interior color scheme adds sporty features. In terms of power, the MG Cyberster offers single-motor and twin-motor layouts, with optional two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive versions. The single-motor version is equipped with a permanent magnet synchronous motor. The low-power version has a maximum power of 231 kilowatts, and the high-power version has a maximum power of 250 kilowatts. The dual-motor model is equipped with two permanent magnet synchronous motors at the front and rear. The maximum power of the front motor is 150 kilowatts, the maximum power of the rear motor is 250 kilowatts. In terms of battery capacity, two battery packs of 64 kilowatt-hours and 77 kilowatt-hours are offered with an endurance capacity of 501 kilometers, 520 kilometers and a maximum of 580 kilometers respectively.